Ebusiafo yenzi da man komo infa Ghana nurses won. And like even the government and the Ministry of Health won. See, it's a sad the nurse in Boko school evi. Ojia posting in abaye problem. And most of them are selling on WhatsApp. Obi abonhuni bi otona tell wa WhatsApp and other TikTok. Inti question ami bi someone when they say juma nurse si wapede way nya. What is the essence of going for this nursing trainings? Echo school ni we na baba abotona tell wa TikTok na WhatsApp. Na nkono the school fees in the sika de ko school na amanfo won banyinfo wo tuetue no. Nka the miske on fon ko tudu no fon ka photo gwantare no nton. You see, government in who the necessary what if ye are 1 year dreamer no ye national threat because a man for boys na man for kunum ware bread in a billions give them jobs na billions or wagan umbre foam. And I don't know why they are all not being creative about finding business, other side business to do. Isi anesi bian onye makeup or tonantalo or WhatsApp. Please, nye debiana washantal. Find other creative business to do. And town and kasan what on you, they will end up wearing all of them. Inti boys in the shawan gwa boshana sikana asho. Because they went to train as nurse, not as business people. Inti they mostly fail when they do these businesses. Few of them are why you're successful with makeup businesses and all that. Yes, it is good for a woman to have side business, but not when they've gone to school to train as professional nurses. One baby, my hospitals, my why man. They won't do that. So now what's it fear? Obi oho a nursing training instead of droba injection our brand pay them no nye bida. The only thing I in the bengin no offer no. That is what they know how to do. In time, a lot of people are disrespecting nurses. You see, the devil finds work for the idle soul. Or come away so, or the kwasiadze, or the brabwan, or the bar. And so I'm pleading with the government and Ministry of Health. Nurses and work school here won't post one. Achala 3 months, 2 months. Where your school are? 1 man hospital monye jume. No one trying to kawe. Because me who reason why nimpani boko school no ria onye jumenye. On school no one Chinese now will admit one. Because at the end of the day, no real school are onye jumenye. I keep asking myself, and that's why I go school. We are not about to do what TikTok and other WhatsApp and tell Togo and tell. And I sell slippers. And I sell a body fit, body tom. I sell a body splash. One more when you get to so and wash one. And most of these nurses have high taste. When you me want to do. Adachi smell of musi one nurses full was soft drink. Smell of punch, smell of black. Yes, school ni the area na post ni number ma ama sisi aloboda me brain. Sisi Anes, Jamaica, kaze comment section what should government do for you? Boya area nursing training are still itifi. And you nurse bi so where your school I won't posting a tag and a video I say. Complete, Miriam Assam. The biamaka there sense is not for sale. The only sense are oil for sale, no a high sense.
The matter job hot. Assembly diloto. Hey! Aye!
Hey! All be lie.
Life no be joke. Back or rich vibe. Sense is not for sale. They come by better. No matter how you hustle, you know if you go buy them for it.